Guys, thank you for joining us again. Matt and Mick here, and I'm with the world-renowned Alison Wick. Hello, Alison.
Hello.
We are again shopping for Lincoln's best Reuben sandwich. Today we're at Billy's, which is on like 13th and H, right by the Capitol. Fantastic restaurant, amazing food. So I'm really excited to be here with Alison to try this out. So I'll tell you, it is heavy. Here, I'll let you fill the box.
Oh, impressive.
Yeah,
that's serious.
All right, so Alison, as always, we have 3 rules. They can't know we're coming.
Yep, like a ninja.
That's right. So sorry, Billy. We are there and now we're gone. Rule number 2 is no Rachels. And then rule number 3 is 1 bite. I don't know, this looks really delicious. So that's where we're at, Alison. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, I don't even know how to start this. How do you get this?
Oh, I'm so excited for this. So cheers.
Cheers.
Let's go for it.
Ah.
Mmm.
This is a lot.
It was, but it was
so good,
very
though.
enjoyable. Taste was good. The sauerkraut, I think the dressing helped to really like.
Yeah, I always want it to feel like you get what you paid for. I feel like I wouldn't mind dropping some money on this sandwich.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. Alison, where are you at on this sandwich?
With my favorite being a 10, I would say this comes in at like a 9, 9.5. I mean,
yeah.
like I said, I'd put some money down on this.
You know, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling like a 9.3.
Yeah.
So guys, Billy's 13th and H. If you haven't been here, great date night thing. We are at a 9.3. Guys, if you have any other locations where you guys enjoy Reuben's, please comment below. We'd love to check those out for you and tell you what we think compared to everywhere else. And also make sure you guys follow Billy's on all of their social media platforms. Please like, follow, share Homegrown Lincoln on Instagram as well as on Facebook, and we will check you out our next location. Thanks, Alison.
You bet.
Awesome.
Bye, guys. So much is happening.